the triplet, Hagala, three-quarter, Egyptian, Moroccan, earthquake, twisting, hip, shimmies, shimmies, shimmies galore. It's one of the most quintessential belly dance movements, and the shimmy is an integral part of our dance, no matter what style you study. Join me for this sensational shimmy adventure, and I will share with you my best tips for creating big, juicy, dependable shimmies, as well as at least 18 different shimmies and variations. This course will take you through the technique to confidently create each shimmy, and I'll work with you on it until you have it under your proverbial belt. The package also includes shimmy workouts of varying lengths, so you can get your shimmy on no matter how much or how little time you have. Are you ready to create the shimmy that you always wished you had, and then some? Then join me for Sensational Shimmies, and let's get moving.